Greetings, Surabaya. My name is David Leonard. I am running for President of Indonesia. Indonesia has its own issues, and I have 3 issues I want to talk about in this short speech. Issue 1 is about economics. These days, economy has been running low. Production of parts, materials, goods and services have been going down. My solution is for factories to use the health protocol so businesses can run well. Issue 2 is about traffic. The roads are crowded with vehicles and my job is to bring safety. My solution is to make a traffic light that counts vehicles that passes by, turning red when it reaches a certain amount of vehicles. Issue 3 is about jobs. People are unemployed because of workplaces closing. My solution is to give workers financial aid. Thank you and God bless you. Vote for David, do and solve.
Good morning, people of Indonesia who I love dearly. My name is Christopher Devenjacahyo and I'm running for the President of Indonesia, the most amazing and wonderful country in the world. As we all know, the face of the world is changing in the last decades, and it's all because of one reason: pollution. Pollution has become a major concern. Pollution changed our world into an uncomfortable, unsafe, and unworthy place to live in. We humans are responsible. We humans are a major cause of pollution. Here in our beloved country, pollution has become our nightmare. Pollution in Indonesia is almost out of control due to the large population and lack of education about the importance of protecting the environment. Almost 250,000 people in Indonesia die every year because of the exposure of toxic air, water, or soil, and other forms of pollution. I can help to change the situation. I will provide better education. I will provide the solution for the population, and I will provide better recycle program to make our country better and stronger. Another problem that concerns me the most is the number of homeless people in Indonesia. Homelessness in Indonesia is a significant issue, estimated to impact up to 3 million people in this country, 28,000 in Jakarta alone. Without proper solution, this number will certainly continue to grow. Indonesia needs a solution. Indonesia needs a change, and Indonesia needs a better future. As large country and ranked number 4 and the most populous country in the world, Indonesia most likely to have variety problems such as poverty, unemployment, and lack of job vacancy, which all can cause more homeless people. So, the main thing that I will do is to control the birth rate by promote family planning program. Also, by giving better education to the people so they understand the importance of family planning program. And also, to open more job opportunity to help the homeless people in Indonesia. My hope is that our children will have better education, our country will have a safer environment, and our people will live in prosperity. Together, yes, together we can. We can make a change. We can bring new hope. Together, we can bring a better future for Indonesia. Vote me, and I will try to do my best with all my heart and all my strength and to make our country better and stronger. Thank you for listening.
Good morning, Surabaya. Are you having a great day? If you are, give a thumbs up. I am Isabel Chandra Putra, and I am incredibly honored to make our country become better than before. I am here to talk about the very important issue of homelessness in Indonesia. Since this COVID-19 pandemic started, numbers of people became homeless because they can't afford a home. So, how to solve this problem? I will provide homes, I will generate jobs, I will provide food, and I will allocate more funds for the homeless. The other issue here is health of people. There are so many reports about COVID-19 weakening people's immune systems. Infected people need more hospitals. Doctors need masks on patients. Hospitals need COVID-19 medicine. I will allocate more funds to provide those needs. Lastly, and also important, is pollution. People are throwing rubbish everywhere. Our water resources are polluted. To solve this issue, I will put more trash cans, hire people to collect rubbish, and put more signs to inform the people to save the earth. Indonesia, together we are stronger. We can do it. Thank you very much, everybody. God bless you.
Good morning, Indonesian citizens. My name is Mikal Cedricus Guido Soesanto, and I'm running for President of Indonesia. First of all, stopping pollution is the best solution. Forest burn could harm our air. Plastic contamination could threaten our ocean wildlife. We must change. We must create laws to stop this pollution. Clean drinking water is an important issue in Indonesia. Our citizens need affordable, healthy water. Our citizens need easy access to clean water. I will provide drinkable tap water to every home in Indonesia. Lastly, whether it's fire or flood, natural disaster, we should learn from it. Late handling causes more victims. Delayed handling causes more loss of life. Inexperienced handling causes more recovery time. We should provide a reliable response team for disaster readiness. We should provide better city infrastructure to withstand disasters. Make Indonesia great again. Don't forget to vote. Thank you all for listening to my speech.